I am pretty excited today.
Looking pretty good. And this, which is Hey guys, my name is June and I make videos of all my camping trips and outdoor adventures at beautiful locations in Malaysia and hopefully someday across the world. So grab yourself a coffee and enjoy this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And I would be so thankful.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode of camping. I am pretty excited today because not sure if you're able to tell already. I've got a new rooftop tent. In last week's video, I had visited iRG campus showroom in Sungai Buloh to return the soft shell rooftop tent which I had used for 6 months. So this time around, iRG campus had put a different type of tent on my car, and this time it is a hard shell rooftop tent, the Endau Rompin 1. And this is going to be my first time trying it. Pretty excited to see how it looks like and how it sleeps, and pretty excited to let you guys see how it all goes. And you know what, I literally just came from iRG campus, like they literally just installed it. I was looking for a campsite that is the closest possible, and this campsite popped up on Google Maps, so here I am. Let's set up camp. Definitely way easier to set up. Okay, so I've got a bunch of rods for the awning. Pretty much done. Let's see how it looks like on the inside. And of course it comes with a mattress.
Looking pretty good.
But there is a window on the left and a window on the right. And of course they all come with a mosquito netting. The special thing about this Endau Rompin rooftop tent is that it's got a skylight. It's got one layer, and the second layer is a mosquito netting, a bug net. And there's also a third layer which is a plastic waterproof layer. So when it rains, there's no worries. I have a skylight. Now we get to stargaze at night. Alright, pretty much set. I'm just gonna put the bedsheet on and throw my pillow in and then put up some fairy lights. And we're done. I don't think I'm even gonna put the awning up because we've got this beautiful gazebo here just beside the car, and there's also a table and chairs there, so yep, Okay, it's getting dark and it's time to make dinner. And I'm just gonna make something really quick and simple. Pasta. Done with shower, feeling refreshed. I'm just gonna get some work done and then just chill out for a bit, and then I will head to bed. Good morning. I think I slept pretty well in my new crib. Love the skylight. It's really nice to look at all the little raindrops. It rained last night, and it's always a great feeling when it rains in the middle of the night and you don't have to wake up to adjust anything, you know, whether it's awning or your tent or the poles or your ropes. There's nothing to adjust, because the tent, you know, the tent will hold up well in the rain. And I think this arch is really helpful. This is an additional feature. So this rod, when you put it in place and arch it upwards, it prevents pooling of rainwater at the top of the tent, which is amazing. Running out of live fuel. Gotta top up soon. So you know, this thing is not just a great shower system, but it's really good to have this to, you know, rinse your bowls, just rinse your vegetables. It's one of my favorite things. Time to make a quick breakfast. Using the same ingredients from yesterday: mushrooms, tomatoes, chilies. Buon appetito! There was this bee, one single bee, that was buzzing and bugging me around non-stop in the past 1 hour. And lucky me, I've got my EMR10 repellent. After I switch it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, the bee is gone. Thank you. Oh, it's getting sunny and the heat wave lately is just getting crazier and crazier. So anyways, my verdict after using this rooftop tent for the first time: A+. I slept well. It rained last night and I didn't have to worry about pooling of water on the tent because there's this rod that we can use to arch the top of the tent upwards to prevent pooling of water. I love that feature. And ventilation is great, looks great. I'm excited to take this tent on all my future camping trips and see how it performs in different conditions. And soon, maybe after a few months of using this tent, I will make a full review of this tent. So stay tuned.